In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play Nuke for Brainrot here on Roblox. This is going to be the ultimate guide. We're breaking down everything that you need to know. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is just make your way over to this lucky spin area. Go ahead and do your lucky spin first. This is just going to give you a chance at, getting something decent right off the bat. You'll obviously have to complete the tutorial before you do that, but once you go ahead and do that, like, look, we just got freaking trillions of dollars. You can go ahead and immediately start upgrading your nukes, for example. Like, let's go ahead and get the robot nuke, right? Or you can go ahead and start upgrading your powers. Now, the main thing you want to do is obviously increase your nukes and increase your upgrades as well, because the better your upgrades and the better your nukes, the further you can actually progress here in the game. Now, the nukes that I have right now, little OP, I'm not going to lie. And that's shout out to one of you guys for actually coming in and, kind of hooking me up with everything immediately. But the sole process of the game, right, is to just go in here, go ahead and find yourself a good Brainrot. For example, we'll go ahead and get this guy, right? And then run all the way back, avoiding the little 6-7 kids right here. And then essentially just getting more money from these guys. Once you place a Brainrot down here, you just need to go ahead and upgrade it. And that'll allow you to go ahead and continuously keep getting even more. And some of the upgrades are a lot, but some of them aren't as bad. But obviously, the higher you upgrade something, the more money you're going to get in turn. But yeah, that's really the full process of the game. Once you have enough money, make your way to the upgrade section, really, and just focus on two major things: your power, your bomb power, and of course, your speed. The carry's not as intense. I would focus more so on these first, because the carry you'll max out pretty fast anyways, but everything else is extremely important. But that's going to be the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.